Welcome to Jim's Kitchen. I'm making a retro recipe today. They're called Panko cookies. I learned about these from social media cooking sensation B. Dylan Hollis. He's so fun and he tries all these old wild recipes. Well, he just came out with a cookbook and it's awesome. I'll be cooking some of these recipes soon, I'm sure. But this Panko cookie recipe doesn't come from the cookbook. Let's make it now. Grab a bowl, half cup of butter, half cup powdered sugar, 2 teaspoons vanilla, a teaspoon of almond extract, 3/4 cup of flour, and 3/4 cup of Panko crumbs. Give that a mix. Okay, have some dough, form it into a ball. I'm gonna roll it in some more powdered sugar, and I'm gonna take it, put it on the tray, and press it down. We're gonna cook it at 350 for about 13 minutes. All cooked, then you dip them in powdered sugar again before putting them on your plate for serving. Here they are, Panko cookies. They're soft with a great crunch. I love them! Why did Little Miss Muffet have a GPS on her tuffet? She kept losing her way.